Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is ready to trade and ready to lock in and stay focused during this time. So, I got the 1 day chart and the 1 week chart right in front of us. As we can see, we're going through a consolidation period with a lot of wicks for the past 3 days. We're near the lows of this range. We tested the lows multiple times, but buyers are not able to push higher. Today's Wednesday. We do have, I think, core retail sales. I think that's it. I'll double check. So we only have durable good orders and Fed minutes at 2 p.m. So nothing really right now that we need to worry about. So let's get to the 1 hour and 4 hour to get maybe a little bit more clarity. So off the lows, we pushed, consolidating. Now this area could just be where we stayed the whole day, because tomorrow we only have initial jobless claims. It's only really and it's really Friday where we have PCE. So we're gonna see like what really happens here. I'm not gonna expect too much of a movement right now. On the 1 hour, sellers have stepped in after hitting the 200 EMA. Same resistance as here on Friday. So what I would see if buyers come here to step in. Um, yeah, and if buyers step in here, or it could be here. So that's what I'll be interested to see. Let's get to the 50-minute and 30-minute. We're just getting a little bit better picture because of 200 EMA here. Buyers pushed, a little bit consolidation. Buyers did a algo push, made a new high, but then sellers stepped in, which was at 7 a.m. We just continued down. So let's get to the 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, so first login. So we have yesterday's valley area right here. We have Friday's valley area right here. And for ES, we really don't have anything, just yesterday's valley area. Just consolidating, wow. No direction right now. And I really gotta get good at, taking zero trades a day. Like, I feel like because I mean I have more pressure to take a trade, which is like not needed. I feel like I need to work on that. Just not taking a trade. Okay. So I now get Bookmap next to us. I did look at the stream. I know it's not the best. I really want to solve this, but I feel like it will help me and it will help the viewers see what I see. So I'm still gonna keep on trying it a bit more. Um, but if I still see like it's kind of blurry on the stream, then I'm gonna see if I can play around with it a bit more. But if not, then I guess it'll just be one screen. Because I also lose the background thing. It's not a big deal, but it does happen. We have liquidity lower at 750. Fire stepping, nice. Liquidity higher. Very nice. Oh, yeah, very wiki. Especially on NQ. On ES, it's a little bit better, but I prefer to trade NQ. I remember the days where I used to only trade. I started with trading literally individual stocks like Microsoft, Nvidia. Then I started trading the options of them. Then I started trading ETFs, SPY, and QQQ. And I just stuck to. I started with QQQ, but then I found it was too volatile, so I went to SPY and I traded SPY for like a good old year, even longer. And then this happened, and now I'm trading futures, and I would never go back. Like I love futures, love it. Just like it's so well. Like, it's first like the tools I can get with it. Um, the fact that it's so simple. Risk is so much easier. It's like a lot better, so much better than trading the ETFs or trading options. I don't miss options one bit. Like of course for swing trading, but I was day trading them, which is bad. Taking more of an effort to look at order flow. Like to see a pullback here. If it plays out. I need to see a pullback. Look at that. Nice close. Liquidity higher. Consolidation. Aggressive buyer stepping in. Still stepping in. Looks like it's gonna be a stomp out. Oh, that was should have been a tick stop out. Wow, that was close. Very, very close. Oh, so I stepped in again. I'm out. Don't think anything was wrong with that. Cleared the wicks. Wicks are cleared. Just think it was just was hard. Okay. I really wanted to see if it plays out. Yeah, another Kappa view up. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, we just need to log out. Basically, like, don't see anything wrong with the trade. I would probably have taken it again if I saw it. It was a good setup. Just seller stepped in, and we front to run this area. Yeah, I mean, technically, it is a place where it was where seller stepped in before. So that's my bad. Then I could have taken a look at that. I don't think I would have taken it earlier entering into that. So too much risk. But yeah, did I take a photo? I'll just check order flow real quick. 9:45. 9:40. So that was when, sellers were taking control. Buyers stepped in. I got filled at 286, 288.6. Got filled in here. So I was filled in here. Buyers stepped in, continued to push, and we front run liquidity. Did I? I don't think I saw that. We front run liquidity by a bit though. This was 881. Would have been right here. So it's like, yeah, we basically front run it. So I don't know. I feel like it's just lack of adaptivity. I think the market's just getting harder, and I'm not adapting well because I'm just wondering, like last week, you know, I took how many? I took four losses and one winner, and I closed the week with a negative 2R. And this week is a negative 2R, but I've hit my trilling threshold. Um, so I think I'm just gonna allow more time. Allow like more clues. I guess that's the right word. Um, like more time to pass to see if okay, because yes, I had a bad week with a negative 2R. That's my starting week, and then this week so far a negative 2R. Um, but still, like it's not like doesn't sound that bad. It's like negative 4R in total. Um, but my trailing threshold hit the limit, so I'm just gonna see how this week continues. If I just keep on taking losses, I don't know what's going on. Maybe a break is needed, a longer break. I took in a break, but let's see. I don't know. Like I think it's lack of adaptivity. The trades I've been taking are trades that I usually take. Maybe those trades are changing, and I need to, you know, look for different setups. 10 points, something of the sort. Yeah, I gotta adapt, and I gotta adapt quicker. I guess would be the best way to put it. So let's take a look. Oh, with slippage. Yeah, a lot of slippage. That's the most slippage I've got on any single trade. So when I was, remember when I was taking the trade, I was like, oh, I should have got like I was a tick away from getting stomped out, but then the next I got slipped very hard. That's the most slippage I've ever had. That's that's insane. $500 more. That's how many more points? Five more points? Yeah, five more points. Most slippage. Okay, I'm gonna have to hit a reset for the account. Because I didn't break any rules. It's just simply I gotta adapt and I don't know, I gotta look into this, but I'm gonna just continue forward and see if I can get through this. But just gonna be careful now. I don't know. I look back at all our trades. We did it yesterday. You know, I know liquidity, front running liquidity was a problem. Some trades that needed better confirmation before the entry. And this trade, I'm just like, okay, like yesterday, okay, that trade needed more confirmation or just a more secure entry. But today, it's like, okay, I was okay with the trade. I'm okay with it being wrong. It doesn't feel like I did anything major. So yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna go ahead and do outreach. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and hope everyone has a great day. And yeah, so. I'm gonna wait because I've learned that if I don't stop the stream, yeah, okay, so he stopped talking now.